The Trade by Levels indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website, and users can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms from this section. Also, to learn how the indicator works and operates, they can refer to this page. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. Once the indicator is activated on the chart, it starts drawing a channel on the price chart. The Trade by Levels indicator. It is a special and practical tool that automatically draws a price channel on the chart. Using this channel, it identifies price peaks based on the channel levels. It generates buy and sell signals. Traders can receive 3 types of signals using this indicator. These include reversal signals, which occur when there is an upward or downward price channel, and if a signal is generated against the channel's trend, it is considered a reversal signal. There is also the retracement signal, which is generated in the direction of the channel. For example, if the channel is upward and a buy signal is generated at the bottom of the channel, it is considered a bullish retracement signal. And finally, there is the breakout signal, which occurs when the price exits the channel from the top or bottom. A signal is generated when it breaks out, and here, at the moment, we have a bearish breakout signal. With the channel breaking downward, the 3-level signal is issued: entry point, stop loss, and take profit. It becomes clear to us, traders can confidently place their orders here based on the specific entry level, and right now we can place a sell stop order here, and with the entry level breaking downward, our order will be triggered. The stop loss is set at the specified level, and the take profit is set at the TP. In the settings section, under inputs, there are options available for us. In the first input, we can set the calculation time frame. Based on the candles within that time frame, a price channel will be drawn for us in the current time frame. In the next parameter, we can specify the number of candles that will be used to draw the channel. We can determine that the higher we set this number, the longer term the channel will be, and the lower we set this number, the shorter term the channel that will be drawn. In this third input, we can choose the price basis for calculation between 2 modes: close price and highs and lows, or median. Here we specify that it calculates the average of the high and low prices of the candles. And by default, it is set to the close mode. In the shift parameter, we can specify the number of candles at the end of the chart to be ignored in the calculations. We can specify them, which gives us this capability. By using this parameter, we can introduce a slight delay in drawing the channel and, in a way, stabilize the channel, so that new candles don't immediately update the width and direction of the channel, and we can execute our trades based on the trend that has already formed. In the next parameter, we can adjust the width of the main channel, and the higher or lower we set this number, the width of the channel will also change. In the next parameter, we can set the width of the channel's midline, and the higher we set it, the width of the midline will also increase, and the lower we set it, the width of the midline will decrease as well. In this next input, we can also set the extension of the channel. On the future part of the chart, and the higher we set this number, the indicator extends these lines for us and projects them into the future part of the chart, which by default is set to 0. And the end of the channel is placed on the current candle, and we can increase this value based on the number of candles. In this next box, we can also set the period length for calculating the price average, which is the parameter based on which the signals are generated. The higher we set this number, the more delayed the indicator becomes, but it will generate signals with a higher confidence level, and the lower we set this number, the signals will be generated for us with lower confidence and less delay. In the next section, we can enable or disable the alert notification when signals are generated. By default, this section is disabled if the alert parameter is set to false. The next options are not useful, but by enabling the alert input, notifications will be sent to us when signals are generated, and we can. In the next input, we can enable or disable sending alerts to the mailbox. If we set this parameter to true and have completed the email settings in the desktop tools under the options section, in the next input we can also enable or disable sending alerts as notifications to the mobile phone. In the next parameter, we can set the time interval between alert messages. By default, it is set to 4 candles, meaning that when it is triggered, signals will be sent to us for up to 4 candles after that, and the signals remain valid. In this last input, we can also enter the alert subject or order message as we wish here. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.